At the beginning of the project, we had 3 powder bronzers. I've already finished the Tarte one with 38 uses in this project. I think I tracked the uses on this one since the first day I've opened it, and if I'm not mistaken, I've used this one 134 times to be able to finish it, but keep in mind that it's a mini, so it's only 3 grams of product. Once I finished the Tarte bronzer, I focused on this one from the Balm, and this is where we were at the last update, and it's now totally empty. It took me 21 more uses to be able to finish it, and in total I've used it 42 times in this project, but I already had a big pan in it when I introduced it. And it was a very good shade match for me, but even though it seems to be easily available in some countries where I live, it has disappeared from the bronze site for a hot minute, so I don't think I will be able to repurchase it. So I guess it means I'm now on the market for a good light neutral bronzer. This one claimed to be anti-orange, and I thought it was true on my skin tone. It really didn't pull orange at all, so I hope to find that in another bronzer. So it means that we have only 1 bronzer left in this project, Hoola from Benefit. This one also had a pan when I introduced it in the project, but I've used it 10 times since the last update, and I think that the pan has started to expand. I don't think I'm gonna repress it right away, and of course, now that it's the only bronzer left in this project, it will have my full attention. Next is the old loose powder that I use Hydrate shampoo, and look, another empty! There was only this much left, and I thought I would have to use it only 2 times to finish it, but I mixed a little bit of brown eyeshadow with it so that it was more like the color of my hair. And so I used it 3 times before it was finished. So I've used it a total of 7 times in this project to finish it, and I'm glad it's finished because it was starting to really smell like very old powder and it wasn't the best. Next, it's highlighter time. There are 5 of them in the project and I want to use each of them 50 times. The one I used the least this last month is Cookie from Benefit. I've used it 6 times. The previous month I had used it 4 times and 6 times, so it's not my worst month with this one, and I am at a total of 16 uses on this one. The next one is Tickle, also from Benefit. I've used it 8 times since the last update. I had only used it once and 5 times the previous month, and I'm at 14 uses in total, so in total it's my least used highlighter of the project. Next we have this Icy Peachy one from Manakadar. I've also used this one 8 times since the last update. I've used it 10 and 5 times the previous month, so I'm now at 23 uses on this one, and I think that for next update I will have a side pan here. I think it's a bit of a strange shade, but it's pretty easy to use because it's not too intense. Next I've used Marilou from the Balm 11 times. I've used this one 13 and 3 times the previous month, so I'm pretty irregular with this one, but I'm still at 27 uses since the beginning of the project, so it's more than half of my goal. And lastly, I've also used my only loose highlighter 11 times, and I had already used this one 10 and 15 times the previous month, so I'm at 36 uses on this one. I'm unofficially trying to finish it, but I think I will reach my 50 uses before I will be able to finish it. So maybe I'll keep it in the project to try to finish it, even though I reach the 50 uses mark for next update. So the first month of this project I was at 38 uses for all my highlighters. The second month I was at 34 uses, and the third month I was at 44 uses, so it's a great progression. Of course I can use several highlighters the same day, and if I use at least 2 highlighters every day this month, I can have a way better number than that, so I think that will be my goal for next update.